Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's have our lessons on sequences and series. We're going to start by looking at the sequences. We're going to look at the arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. Then after that, we're going to move to the series, that is arithmetic series and geometric series. What is the difference between sequences and series? A sequence is an arrangement of terms in a particular order, whilst a series is the sum of the terms in a sequence. Let me give you an example. Let's say we just have arrangement of terms. Let's say we have 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. So this is a sequence. It's just arrangement of terms in what? In this order, whereby we have a common difference of 2. But if I say 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, now this is a sum of terms in a sequence. So this is a series. Then this is a sequence. Okay, that's the difference between these two. Let's look at the arithmetic sequence. In an arithmetic sequence, the first differences from the consecutive terms are constant from terms that follow each other. For example, if we have these terms 4, 7, 10, 13, like that, the difference between 7 and 4 is 3. The difference between 10 and 7 is 3. The difference between 13 and 10 is 3. Right? So the differences between the consecutive terms are constant. They're just the same. Or you can say common. For an arithmetic sequence, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Like here we say 7 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 13 minus 10. Okay, so it's T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. It goes on like that up to Tn minus Tn minus 1. There's nothing complicated about this. Okay, your Tn, let's say if I say T100, it will be T100 minus T99 because 100 minus 1 is 99, something like that. So it goes on. Is that only that Tn will be our last term for this sequence. And then Tn minus 1 is called the common difference or the constant difference. And we use D to represent it. The formula for the nth term, that is Tn, is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Right? This is the formula that we use for arithmetic sequences, where A is the first term. A is the first term of the sequence. And then D is the constant difference. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3, like that. Please take note, it's not like the bigger term minus the smaller term. It is T2 minus T1 because T2 may be smaller than T1. For example, let me say we have 10, 7, 4, like that. What is the common difference here? You say 7 minus 10, which is negative 3. 4 minus 7, which is negative 3. So you can have a situation where T2 is smaller than T1 and T3 is smaller than T2, like that. And then where n is the term number, n is the term number, and then Tn is the nth term. Tn is the term in the sequence, which is term number n. Let's say if you're saying T25, it means this is the 25th term. Like for this sequence here, if I say T3, term number 3 is what? Is 4. Tn is the term in the sequence. Then n is the term number. Please don't confuse these two, especially these two. N is the term number and Tn is the term in the sequence. Right, in the next lessons, we're going to be looking at examples.